Welcome today on Willis Talk. We have Scott's Cycling and Fitness, located at 147 Commercial Street. It's been in existence since 1914 in Salem, Oregon. Their hours right now is Sunday, they're closed. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, they're open from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Let's go on in and see what they've got. Nice big showroom floor for starters. Got a little bike rack made out of wood. Carry all for couple kids or your groceries. A lot of bike gear. Looks like they got some real good brakes, disc brakes. Oh, now here you go. Wide tires, and it's even got a license plate. Pretty much every color you want. Powered ones too. All your kind of equipment. They got stand-up bike pumps, big one and regular small ones. Let's see, only $40 bill. That ain't too bad for them. What about this big one? 70. Not bad still if you're wanting the market. See, there's one of those wooden ones being used. Holds the bikes up just nice. And glasses. Little small bikes for your kiddos. Got some footwear too. Real nice ones for biking. Don't forget your helmets, especially if you're out on any of those highways or those back roads. You want to definitely have your helmet on. Well, if you happen to see any bike that you like, I encourage you to come on down to their shop and take a purchase. It's a nice, clean environment. Everything's well organized, nice wide aisles, and they even have a nice machine shop back there to fix any and all your bikes. This is Willis Talk again, coming at you from Salem. Remember, like, subscribe, and drop a comment on the box of what you'd like to see in Salem.